Receive the package and unpacked it for inspection. Manual, main board control box, 2 short profiles, 2 long profiles, 3 corners, laser module, power adapter, data cable, 1 cantilever, 1 goggles, screw mounting package. Please follow the steps to arrange it for installation. Toolkit. 1 fixed focus block, engraving material. Please arrange the positions in the order in the video. Pay attention to the direction of the measurement mark. Be careful not to reverse the direction of the measurement marks of these 2 profiles. Assemble the frame using the screws from step 1. Slide the cantilever along the long profile into the frame. Secure the frame using step 2 screws. The belt holes of the 3 legs are different. Please pay attention to the distinction. Install the feet using step 3 screws. Please be careful not to cut the wrong harness. For the convenience of installation, the machine can be changed in another direction. Step 4. Install the belt. Note that the belt teeth are facing down. Insert the belt along the long profile. Push back the cantilever belt and pull it straight forward. Pass the belt through the 2 pulleys of the cantilever and the timing wheel. Push back the cantilever belt and pull it straight forward. Lock the belt with the screws and washers from step 4. To ensure that the X-axis slides smoothly, tighten the belt on both sides and apply the screws. Check tightness back and forth. Insert Y-axis position switch. Insert Y-axis motor. Insert X-axis motor. Insert X-axis position switch. Rotate the Z-axis to the bottom. Install the module using the step 5 screws. Locking module. To ensure stable port wiring, secure the cable with cable ties to ensure that the harness is of sufficient length. Insert module port. Cut off the excess cable ties. Install the antenna. The emergency switch should be released. Insert TF card. Connect to computer. Insert data cable. Plug in the power supply. Search for DIMIFUN.net. Download the manual in the language you need, If not, please consult the merchant. This machine is suitable for both software, free software, laser gribble, paid software, light burn. Here is an example of the paid software light burn. Free 30-day trial. Please contact the merchant after expiration. Turn on the switch and press the TF card. The emergency switch should be released. This is a tutorial on connecting software to machine. Click on the device. Create manually. Select Gerbil. Choose a name that is easy to remember. According to the working area settings of the machine. Select device. Select your machine. Select port. If the connection is successful, it will be automatically reset. Let's carve stainless steel. Put on the aluminum plate to protect the desktop. Place engraving materials. Adjust the laser height. Take out the focus block. Place the laser at a height of 2 mm from the engraving material. Manually move to the position where the engraving starts. Drag image. Text editing. Right-click to bitmap. Right-click to edit text. Select the engraved image. Click the border to view the engraving range. The faster the speed, the faster the engraving speed. The more power, the deeper the engraving depth. Click to preview the engraving track. Start carving. It is recommended to buy a honeycomb panel for use together. Please go to page 30 of the manual. DM6 supports mobile phone software operation. Please open the browser according to your device and scan to download the mobile software. Turn on the antenna. Link Wi-Fi MSDAP. Enter the initial password 123456778. Enter IP address 192.168.4.1. Click Control to see if the connection is successful. To choose a picture engraving. The image can be adjusted here. Set engraving parameters. Preview engraving range. Start carving. Engraving progress. Start your carving journey now. More features are waiting for you to discover. If you have any questions, you can check the website and YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.